Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Decktok TV LED Backlight. And so I have the one for 80 to 100 inch TVs. So if we go ahead and open this up, essentially what we have here is that first we have the actual, I believe this is the camera light. So with this camera light, this is what's going to be used to actually see what's happening on your TV. So it's, compared to other TV backlights that I've used, I'd actually say that this is actually quite small. Which is good though, because that means that it doesn't stick out. But this camera that you see here essentially sits at the top of your TV, and it, based on what it sees on the TV, that's how it knows what colors to emit onto the TV backlight. Now, in addition to that, you also have the power adapter, which connects to the camera and also connects to the power strip or the light strip. You also have adhesive clips here to secure the light strip to the back of your TV, so definitely use these as well. And then lastly, you have the flexible LED strip, which is going to be adhered to the back of your TV. But that's essentially what it comes with. I've had no problems with it whatsoever.